Hi guys, this is in fact another unboxing video from LP9. A few days ago I ordered a shift knob for my truck in carbon fiber and it just arrived today. So I'm just gonna do a quick little video about it, just kind of impulse. So I already opened it, I'm like, ooh, packing peanuts, I should do an unboxing video. Okay, so let's go ahead and zoom in on this a bit. Alright, so here we have the box that came in. It just came in the mail. Or, yeah, just came in the mail. I'm not really sure. I can't remember who the shift knob is by, so I guess we'll find that out in a second. Receipt. Let's go through some packing peanuts. And there it is. It is a carbon fiber shift knob from NRG Innovations. It is in fact 5-speed. Let's see if it'll focus there. It will not focus because it doesn't do up close. But anyway, this is the shift knob. This is real carbon fiber, people. Real carbon fiber. This was ordered off of Amazon for, I think it was $35. So let's see if we can go ahead and open this up. Dang it. Tape gets me again. Alright, let me go, oh, I'll just use this knife right here. That'll be good. Darn it. This is hard. Okay, I think I got it now. Yeah, I got it, and I'm just gonna go ahead and open it. Just slide out like that. Alright, so we got, box, nothing left in the box. And here we have, looks like some mounting tools, adapter tools, and here is the actual shift knob. It is very, very cool looking, very nice, very it's a very glossy finish, as you can see. The camera's not doing much for it right now. I want to focus, dang it. So this is it. It's actually got metal inside here, so it's not the lightest thing in the world like I thought it would be. So like I was saying, it's not the lightest thing in the world because it's actually got metal in there. It's not just like carbon fiber. But yeah, it's a very, very nice shift knob. If you want to do just a little subtle interior customization for your car, then I would recommend this. It looks very nice. Again, it's by NRG Innovation, and I'll probably post a link of where I got this just so you can see. Ooh, very nice box. So anyway, that's my little unboxing review of the NRG Carbon Fiber 5-speed shift knob. Thank you.